Good morning students. Today video is going to see IUPAC nomen for some branched alkanes. The first one already discussed. Let us write the IUPAC name for the below mentioned alkanes by applying the general rules for nomenclature that we already discussed in unit number 11. So first one compound CH3 CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. Okay, the second place of the presence of methyl group. The first one IUPAC name mentioned by a number of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. Number of carbon in the presence compound 5 carbons of presence. 5 carbons of presence bentane. Okay, the single bond formation. So ane, bent ane, 5 carbon of present bent, the single bond of formations of the ane, so bent ane. So 2 methyl, the second place of the presence of methyl group 1, 2, so 2 methyl, so 2 methyl bentane, 2 methyl bentane. Okay, the component CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH single bond CH3. See the second place of presence of the one single methyl group. So play the IUPAC name of 2 methyl bentane. 5 carbons of present, so 2 methyl bentane. Okay, the second one discuss the two branches. First one single branch, the second one two branches. Okay, the second one examples for the component CH3 single bond CH single bond CH2 single bond CH single bond CH3. So presence of the 5 carbons of presence, so 2 methyl groups of presence. The first one the first long chain formations of the including the mentioned the CH3 CH single bond CH2 single bond CH single bond CH3. So second place of methyl group 1 presence, fourth one place of methyl group presence. So the IUPAC name 2, 4 dimethyl 2, 4 dimethyl bentane, 2, 4 dimethyl bentane. Okay, the third one discuss about two branches of upper and lower. Okay, the upper and down two places of presence of methyl groups. So the name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 carbons of present, so bentane. Okay, the methyl group of presence third one place, the methyl group of presence third one place 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 anyone this sides. Okay, the third places of 1, 2, 3 third one places of methyl group are presence. So 3, 3 dimethyl 3, 3 dimethyl bentane. Okay, 3, 3 dimethyl pentane. Okay, the fourth one discuss about 1, 2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 presence. The 1, 2, 3, 4 presence. So the long chains of the 5 carbon chain of the presence. So bentane. The second one place and third one place of methyl group, third one place of ethyl group. So alphabet order, first one ethyl. Okay, the 1, 2, 3 third places of ethyl group, second places of methyl group. So alphabet order ethyl, another one ethyl, next methyl. Okay, up third 3 ethyl. Okay, 3 ethyl 2, 2 methyl bentane. Okay, 2 methyl bentane. The third one places of the ethyl group, second place of the presence of methyl group. So IUPAC name of 3-ethyl 2-methyl bentane. 5 carbon of present, so bent single bond formations of the present. Okay, so in bentane. Okay, the second one, sorry, the fifth one, the long chain formations of the carbon chain of 8 carbon of presence. So 8 carbons of presence of the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 carbon of presence of the octane, single bond formation, so octane. Okay, the third one place of the ethyl group, fourth one place of the propyl group, fifth one place presence of the propyl group. Okay, the IUPAC name of the presence of 3-ethyl, alphabet order 3-ethyl 4,5-dipropyl octane. Okay, the 8 carbons of presence, single bond formations of presence, so octane. The first ones, the formations of the 8 carbons of presence, octane. The third places the presence of ethane. Fourth one and fifth one place of propyl, so 4,5-dipropyl octane. Okay, the sixth one discuss about the first one places 4 carbons of presence. First one, this not correct. Okay, this correct one. Okay, upper 1 2 3, this one of the correct. So 1 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 carbons of present. So 5 carbons of present bentane. Okay, 5 carbons of present bentane. So the branch of the 2-methyl group. Okay, the presence of 2-methyl group, second place and third place. Okay, the second place and third place of the methyl group present. So 2,3 dimethyl 2,3 dimethyl pentane. Okay, this seventh one discuss about the presence of carbon 8 carbon. Okay, the presence of carbon 8 carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 carbon of presence. The first one group, the nearest presence of functional group, nearest group 1 2. 1 2. Okay, the 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 presence of the nearest group. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, then this sides, right hand side to number of, sorry, right hand side to mention the right side to mention the number. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, the presence of the second place of the methyl group, fourth one place of the ethyl group, seventh one group of the methyl group. Okay, this IUPAC name 4 ethyl 2,7 dimethyl 2,7 dimethyl octane. How they mention the IUPAC name? Alphabet order. Okay, the first one IUPAC name alphabet. So this is IUPAC name. 4-ethyl 2,7 dimethyl. Okay, the next one discuss, evaluate yourself, give the IUPAC name for the following alkane, to structure of to the IUPAC name yourself. The next one the how to draw structure formula given IUPAC name. Okay, the first one, after learning the rule for naming alkene, it is relatively easy to reverse the producers and translate the name of an alkane into structural formula. Okay, the examples below show how this is done. Let us draw the structural formula for 3-ethyl 2, 3 dimethyl pentane. Okay, 2 3-ethyl 2, 3 dimethyl pentane. Okay, the pentane, the presence of 5 carbons. Okay, the first one step, the presence of 5 carbon. So the parent hydrocarbon is pentane. Draw the chain of 5 carbon atoms and number it. Okay, the second step is the first one, the number of carbon atoms. The second one step is the second one step, complete the carbon selectron by attaching the alkyne group as they are specified the name. Okay, an ethyl group is attached to carbon 3 and 2 methyl groups are attached to carbon 2 and 3. Okay, attached to carbon 2 and 3. So 2 and 3, 3 ethyl. So ethyl 1, 2 carbon, ethyl group, presence of carbon 2 ethyl. Second one place methyl. Then another one third place of the methyl. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So third one place of the ethyl and methyl group, presence of the third one step. The third step of the first one, the third step is add hydrogen atoms to the carbon so that each carbon atoms has 4 bonds. Okay, the carbons is the valence is the 4 bonds, so carbon atoms is attached to the 4 valence bonds. Okay, they discuss about the name of the 3-ethyl 2,3 dimethyl pentane. Okay, the second one discuss about preparations of alkanes. Alkanes are not laboratory characteristics, but they are extremely important naturally occurring compounds. Natural gas and petroleum are the most important natural source. However, it can be prepared by the following the method. The first one, preparations of alkanes from catalytic reductions of unsaturated hydrocarbons. So the palladium, platinum, palladium and room temperature and alkane is proceed. This process is addition of hydrogens. So the unsaturated compounds, hydrogenations, the above the catalyzed by nickel 298. This reaction is known as Steptier-Sendersen's reactions. The first one discuss about the examples propane to propene to propane. So the catalyst of the platinum. Okay, the CH3 single bond CH, double bond CH2 plus hydrogen. The hydrogen is added the propene. The single bond formations, double bond formations, they break off the single bond. So CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH3 propane. The reactant to double bond formation, the product to single bond formation. So the second one, ethylene, CH2 single bond CH2, ethylene added to hydrogen, the nickel catalyst 298 Kelvin. So ethane, double bond formation, the break the bond, single bond. Okay, ethane. Okay, the third one of the discuss prop-1-ene. The prop-1-ene 1, 2, 3 triple bond formations. The propene triple bond formation, the hydrogen added platinum catalyst, so propane. The double bond formations, the converted to reactions, the converted to propane. The triple bond formation, prop-1-ene, the converted to product propane. Okay,